If you're seeing error code 43, there was an error connecting to the platform when launching Valorant, don't worry. This error usually happens when the Riot client can't connect properly to Riot servers, or when one of the game's services fails to start. Let's go through the most effective fixes. Solution 1. Restart the Riot client and your PC. First, completely close Valorant and the Riot client. Open Task Manager and end any Riot or Valorant processes that are still running, then restart your computer and launch the game again. This simple step fixes the problem for many players. Solution 2. Check Riot server status. Before changing any settings, visit Riot's service status page. If the servers are down or undergoing maintenance, you'll need to wait until Riot resolves the issue. There's nothing to fix on your computer if the problem is on their end. Solution 3. Restart the Vanguard service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find the service called VGC. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, click Start, then select Apply and OK. Restart your PC before opening Valorant again. Solution 4. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. If the error still appears, uninstall Riot Vanguard from settings greater than apps. Restart your computer, then launch Valorant. The Riot client will automatically install a fresh copy of Vanguard. After the installation finishes, restart your PC one last time and try launching the game again. In most cases, one of these 4 solutions resolves Valorant Error Code 43. If the problem continues, you may need to reinstall Valorant completely or contact Riot Game Support for further assistance. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which solution worked for you.